Welcome back. You are watching Headlines Now, and here's another one that has been making the headlines. Superstar Rajinikanth will be travelling to Singapore for further treatment. Now, the actor has been ailing for the last couple of weeks. He was in the ICU for a couple of days with respiratory distress and intestinal disorders. Now, sources say that Rajinikanth's family will accompany him to Singapore. On April 29th, on the first day of the shoot of his latest venture, Rana, the actor had suffered from acute exhaustion and was admitted to the hospital. Well, they had fought the elections bitterly, but on Friday, the AIADMK, the DMK and the DMDK showed such a spirit of decorum that Friday would indeed go down as a red letter day in Tamil Nadu politics. And if you thought that the Dravidian politics was split right down the middle between the two leading parties, take a look at this report by our senior correspondent, Peer Mohammed. It was something we've never seen before in Tamil Nadu's recent assembly history. A smiling Chief Minister Jayalalitha listening to the opposition's demands and a courteous Stalin extending greetings to the new government. Things may or may not stay as cordial as this in the coming weeks, but a big new beginning has been made by all the major political parties in the state. We may have less number of MLAs, but give us the opportunity to speak, DMK Legislative Party leader M.K. Stalin urged the new speaker. AIADMK's D. Jayakumar and Chief Minister Jayalalitha responded promptly.
ஆளும் கட்சி அமோக வெற்றி பெற்றுவிட்டது. எதிர்க்கட்சியினருக்கு மிக குறைந்த இடங்களே கிடைத்துள்ளன என்ற சூழ்நிலை தற்போது நிலவினாலும் மாற்றான் தோட்டத்து மல்லிகைக்கும் மனம் உண்டு என்ற பேரறிஞர் அண்ணா அவர்களின் அமுதமொழிக்கேற்ப எதிர்க்கட்சியினரின் கருத்துகளுக்கு மதிப்பளிக்க ஆளும் கட்சி தயங்காது என்பதையும் சட்டமன்ற ஜனநாயகம் வாழவும் வளரவும் வளம் பெறவும் நிலைத்து நிற்கவும் நாங்கள் உறுதுணையாக இருப்போம் என்பதையும் தங்கள் வாயிலாக இந்த அவைக்கு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
With Captain Vijaykanth also throwing his weight behind the request.
எதிர்க்கட்சியை சேர்ந்த நாங்கள் எடுத்துச் சொல்லும் கருத்துக்கள் ஆளுங்கட்சிக்கு தேவைப்படலாம். எனவே நாங்கள் எடுத்துச் சொல்லும் கருத்துக்களை ஏற்று எங்களுக்கு தாராளமாக வாய்ப்புகளை வழங்கும்படி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
The communists were not left behind in calling for freedom of speech and healthy discussion in the House on the day when the new Speaker D. Jayakumar and Deputy Speaker P. Dhanapal were elected.
The new assembly has started with new promises. Particularly, there is an assurance of enough time allotment for the opposition. When the assembly meets next week for governor's address and later for budget, we will know how exactly these promises are kept. In Chennai, Peer Mohammed with camera person Madan, NDTV Hindu.
Well, meanwhile, former Chief Minister M. Karunanidhi has now commented on the logjam over the common school syllabus, raised concerns over the postponement of common syllabus by another academic year. Now, in a press release today, the DMK president has even suggested that if Sen Muriyam, the lyric that he had penned for Tamil World Conference and which has been printed in a prominent spot in the textbooks, was the bone of contention for the present, the song could be removed from the textbooks, after which the textbooks could be used in the schools. He wondered if it was good governance to set aside textbooks already printed at a cost of 200 crore rupees and giving a fresh order for another set of textbooks, which again will cost 200 crore rupees. Now, NDTV Hindu introduces you to your elected representatives one at a time. This is Know Your MLA. Now, today we look at Sholinganallur, a newly carved out constituency and also the largest in the city. Now, the Perangadi Panchayat leader has been a familiar face for the last 30 years here. Our reporter Pratiksha Ramkumar brings to you more on this new MLA, Kandan. KP Kandan is busy monitoring the garbage clearing projects in the area. The new member of the State Legislative Assembly is also busy collecting people's petitions in Medavakam, and he doesn't forget to thank the people for electing him. Dismissing the long hours of campaign, he says his work has just begun.
அவங்களுக்கு முதியோர் பிரச்சனை, குடி தண்ணீர் பிரச்சனை, கால்வா பிரச்சனை, தண்ணி இந்த மாதிரி பாதாள சாக்கடை இல்லை, ஸ்கூல் பிரச்சனைங்க, அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்க இங்கே டோல்கேட் இருக்குது. இங்கே மெயினாக வந்து இந்த பெருங்குடியில் டோல்கேட் இருக்குது. சிட்டியை ஒட்டி இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த டோல்கேட்டால் நிறைய டிராஃபிக் பிரச்சனை வருது.
In 1984, while working in a private company, Kandan joined the AIADMK as a primary member. And by 1996, won his first Panchayat election and has held on to his post for the past 15 years. Even after the elections are over, he is making a promise to his people that he will be accessible to the people in his Perangudi office every day.
காலையில் எங்கள் ஆஃபீஸ் இது நிரந்தரமாக என்னுடைய ஓன் பில்டிங் இந்த ஓஎம்ஆர் ரோட்டில் இந்த பெருங்குடியில் காளியம்மன் கோயில் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது. நான் ஓயமாக இங்கே வந்து 30 வருஷமாக இங்கே தான் நான் இருக்கிறேன். இங்கேயே தான் இருக்கிறோம். இந்த இடத்துல தான் இருக்கிற எல்லாம் என்னை இங்கேயே வந்து நேராக பார்க்கலாம். என்ன காலையில் 6 மணிக்கு வந்தால் இருப்பேன், நான் இருந்து பார்ப்பேன்.
Being a son of the soil was one of Cummins' main trump cards during the election campaign. And now, with his continuous visits to his constituency, he hopes that the voters will have an assurance that he will remain true to his roots. In Chennai, with camera person Raja Singh, this is Pratiksha Ramkumar for NDTV Hindu.
Well, the meeting between ministers and representatives of the 736 dying units which were shot in Tirupur following a Madras High Court order started on Friday. Now, State Agriculture Minister K. Sengotian, PWD Minister K.V. Ramalingam, of course, and Transport Minister Senthil Balaji and others held discussions on how to put an end to this crisis faced by the dye industry, which contributes to the local economy in a big way. We'll be dwelling on this story and bringing to you more details in just a bit. Keep watching.